What's up, Jamaican? It's a Jamaican thing, TV fans, guys. Welcome to Little Ochie. Yeah, man, beautiful community of Little Ochie. Now, guys, we're visiting Little Ochie today. Yeah, man. Don't know, look at the Little Ochie's spot for seafood, guys. Now this is the town of Little Ochie, and we're heading to Little Ochie now. And if you know the town, you don't know, straight ahead is the fishing village. And this right turn here, guys, this is the way to Little Ochie. Big up on ourselves, welcome, let's go. Guys, we reached the spot. Yeah, man, excited about this, guys.
It's a Jamaican thing, baby. So come on and join with me. We're there on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this, the history. It's a Jamaican thing, baby. So come on and join with me. We're there on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this, the history.
So come on and check out this channel. Dual is YouTube channel, where it's all about showcasing Jamaica exotic places, people and things. Don't forget though to like, subscribe, comment and share. Yeah. Thank you.
Fans now, guys, we're there in a Little Ochie. You don't know Manchester. Now some people debate whether it's in Manchester or St. Elizabeth. But it's basically close to the border, guys. So some people say Manchester, some people say St. Elizabeth, guys. But we're there in a Little Ochie, guys. We're gonna see what going inside. Come on, let's go. Alright, guys, so this is the entrance to Little Ochie. I don't know. I'm going to sign out here and some information about Alligator Pond and a hole. So this is some information about Alligator Pond. You guys can, I don't know, look through. Pause the video if you want and you don't know, read through these information. Otherwise, you can visit the National Heritage Trust site. Yeah, man, so there's some brief information about Alligator Pond. I don't want to say Alligator Pond is right next door, guys. Alright, so we're going inside. Yeah, man, over there, Alligator Pond, guys. Look, I don't know, so you have ice cream and refreshment area over there. So over the side, you have bathroom and thing, guys. Alright, we'll take a time to walk. Alright, guys, so you don't know Little Ochie basically on the seaside. This is your other area over there. Yeah, man, I don't know, you eat and thing outside here. Walk across, so I go on the sea. Alright, so guys, this side they don't have white sand beaches on this side. I don't know, most of the south side of Jamaica, you don't really have white sand. This is basically black sand, guys. So what time it is? Yeah, man, you can see basically all the way out to Port Henderson right now. That's Port Kaiser. Come on. Beautiful, eh? So we're out here check out the beach right now. I'm gonna check out the sea. I don't know, people are really bathing our water here, like beach type of bathing. I understand people just, I don't know more while them got the fish them and them thing they right here, so show the water, the stuff them in the water. So people are really bathing in the water here, guys. I understand. So yeah, we just basically have to a view of what going from the water right now. I don't know the food. Little Ochi is all about the food, guys. Little Ochi is all about the food, so we're gonna go inside shortly and show them up in the fridge for Africa. I don't know. Yeah man, if I don't know anything about Little Ochi is all about the food. Alright? Yeah man, bird them are going so the general just show some fish cut and thing right here, so the bird them are enjoy this, you know. Alright guys, as you can see, a lot of persons here on the compound enjoying themselves right now. So I'll go on here guys, I run through our one here at Little Ochi. Alright guys, so right now we're going to enter the bar. You don't know, as you can see on the picture right there, that's the general for the, you don't know, the restaurant area, the main restaurant area. Now we're going inside and I'm going to do a basic tour and show what business or what the operation is like on the inside. So going in on the inside right now.
Welcome to Little Ochie Seafood Restaurant and Bar, located in Alligator Pond, Manchester, on the beach. Today we'll give you a rundown of how things are done here in the kitchen at Little Ochie Seafood. Let's go!
The world-renowned seafood, fresh from the ocean every day.
Here is our bar. You can have a look. This is our bartender. I'm gonna allow her to introduce herself.
I'm Simone, the bartender. When I said I'm the bartender, I'm not here every day because we change shifts with Miss Sasha here. So this week I'm inside, the next week is Sasha. So we're introducing to you Stallion Punch, the best-selling drink at Little Ochie. The ingredients are strong back, bridal whisk, blood whisk, nerve whisk, water whisk, sarsaparilla, raw moon bark, red whisk, young banana, chain root. If having any problem, both man and woman. Back in the days, the man used to drink it, go home and overpower the woman, but we found the secret, and sometimes we don't even have it to sell. Me and Sasha make use of it. Yeah, man. Yeah, you know, me and Sasha the two big woman bartender. When a young girl and a big woman bartender, so we drink. Yes.
Alright, so you do other
mixed drinks? Yes, we have homemade ginger beer. We do rum punch. You can get cane juice, natural cane juice, no preservative. We have beetroot with carrot, natural. We have cucumber with cane. We have a variety of natural drinks with no preservative. Little Ochie coconut water, fresh from the tree.
Yeah, man, welcome to Little Ochie on the beach, the home of great seafood in Alligator Pond, right on the beach. We sell the freshest and the best seafood in Jamaica. Yeah, my name is Everald Blackie Christian, owner and operator of Little Ochie Seafood Restaurant. Yeah, man, we do over 75 different seafood dishes. We do lobster, shrimp, crab, octopus, calamari, shark, just name it all. You know, anything from the ocean, we cook it. From the sea to the pot, every day, fresh as you want it.
Come a little closer. Here at Little Ochie, our fish are fresh from the sea. This is where, when you come in, you can choose the fish of your choice. We have all different sizes, fresh from the sea. We also have lobster pasta, shrimp pasta, we have chicken pasta. Whatever pasta you want, we have it. Here at Little Ochie, we have over 75 different seafood dishes done to order. You choose, we prepare. Alright, so today I'm going to show you some of the dishes we're preparing right now. Follow me.
festival jerk fish, fried fish, beach fish. Alright, so this is the guys. Those are the chefs over there. Over there, no chef. Festival. Okay. Alright, this is so I'm going over here, so now guys.
Yeah man, steam fishing. So you know, watch you have to come for the best steam fish. Straight to the board, you understand?
So I'm going on again?
Steam fish with okra and pumpkin and carrot. Everything there. Straight to the board. Yeah man. So you have the garlic lobster. This is the garlic lobster with the, yeah, butter garlic. This is the steam fish.
With the bami.
Bami, yeah. Ready to eat.
Alright, so what your name again, chef?
I taste the bone. I'm right, but I taste the bone. I'm a chef name. So when I come and ask, I taste the bone. Or Charmaine. Or Cara.
Or Charmaine. Or Cara. Alright. Alright, so that's the jerk turbot and bummy strip.
Bummy strip, yeah.
Alright.
And Turks did it, yeah? Turks did it.
Alright guys, so these are two of the waitresses on the property, right? Yeah. Waitresses, right?
Here at Little Ochie, we don't only cater for seafood lovers. We also have chicken, ice cream. This is the Little Ochie snack bar and ice cream shop. This is our employee and I will allow her to introduce herself.
Hello, I am Shanisa Garden, a staff at Little Ochie's ice cream shop and snack bar. We specialize in chicken and fries, burger, nuggets, hot dog, and we have different variety of ice creams. And we also have snacks. We have grape nut, Roman raisin, pistachio. Over here, so we have icicles, yummies, and cup ice creams. Come on over and enjoy at Little Ochie Snack Bar and Ice Cream Shop.